Hello YouTube. I have a new listing for you guys today. This is brand new and you can see it's a double garage. So most of the homes here are still under construction, as you can see. A lot of the landscaping isn't done yet. But let me show you this one. As you come in right off the bat, the first thing I notice is the floors. I love this wood flooring. So you kind of come into a living room, but it can be turned into an office. It has this nice light here. So this is your entryway. This is the garage. As you can see, there's still a lot of things that they're working on. But the home is completed though. It is done. But yeah, this is a nice closet for your coat and shoes. You have this LED built-in lighting, which is so nice. So right here is a bedroom. A lot of people like having an extra bedroom in the main floor for guests or grandparents. Someone older who can't use the stairs or shouldn't be using the stairs. That's the closet. You have a nice window here. And then there's a full bathroom right next to it. You kind of have this cute sink to shower instead of a tub. And then you have that nice backlash. Okay, so these are the stairs. This home has a basement with a side entrance. It's not completed yet though, but it's always good to have that side entrance for future purposes. Now we're gonna go into the kitchen. I absolutely love this kitchen. Again, those built-in LED lights just gives it some flavor. This is definitely a chef-inspired kitchen. As you can see, I'm actually gonna give it more light. I don't think I turned on this lights here. So let me do that. There you go. You have the recessed lighting. Nice countertop. Built-in shelvings. Appliances are not in yet, but you can kind of see that a microwave and oven is gonna go there. Your fridge, freezer will be there. Your stove. You have the sink. And then I will call this a spice kitchen. Yes, it's a spice kitchen because you can hook another stove in there. And you just have more shelvings and countertop space, which is really good. Another sink. So look at this dining table, guys. How pretty is this? I love this dining table. I mean, sorry, dining area. There isn't a table yet. But I like that it's separate. Love the design. Again, with the lighting features. This is really cool. Okay, and then this is the family room, the great room. Look at this place, guys. Oh my gosh, look at the ceiling, the high ceilings. Look at that curtains. They did it for you. You don't have to put in curtains yourself. Look at this view from here. You have that balcony up there to overlook down. And then you have this beautiful arch area built in. It's just a nice design. And it adds a lot of character to the home. Lots of space. Okay, let me take you guys upstairs. And first of all, I'm gonna show you guys the lighting here. They're like theater light. Those are always really nice, especially at nighttime. So you have like another family room here. Kids can play up here. Again, with the built-in shelvings, the design. All right, let's check out this room. We have a bedroom here. It is not the master, but it's so big. I just love this. Like, look at this marble-like textured light. I love this paneling. I think they did a good job with this design. Into the closet. A mini walk-in closet. And your bathroom. Another shower. Look at those lights at the bottom. Okay, let's check out another bedroom. So that's the first one. Nice hallway. This is gonna be a laundry room. We have a second bedroom here. Closet. Decent sized closet. And then you have a bathroom here, so the second bathroom. Well, third, because there was one downstairs that we saw. This has a sink instead of a shower. And then another bedroom. So there's a third one so far, plus the one downstairs, making it 4. So there's this one, and again, this one has a nice walk-in closet. Now to the primary bedroom. You have the high ceilings. This is a massive bedroom. It can totally fit a king-size bed. I'm gonna show you from this angle. Look at the light. Those basket-inspired lighting. You have it here as well. It's a great place to like sit. You can get nice foam, pillow. Nice place to read a book. Another look from here. And this is your closet. Beautiful walk-in closet. Show you from this angle. Okay, let's check out the master bathroom. Oh, don't you just love this barn doors? Okay, this is the master bathroom. Look at how big this is. We have our tub. Lovely tub. I believe these are like marble backlash or tiles. You have your double sink. Give me the lights at the bottom. Your toilet. A nice window. Big shower that can fit definitely 2 people. Okay, that's it for this tour. This is a really beautiful brand new construction home, and it has a lot of nice features. As you can see, it is for sale. It's a quicker tour because the basement isn't done, but if you can see yourself living here, you want more details about this property, the information is in the description, and get in touch with me, and yeah, I would get back to you and give you all the details about this home. But thank you so much for joining me on another tour. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Please like, comment, and subscribe.